Hello everyone, this is Shipra from Tour with Abira. So today in this episode we are touring a premium villa for sale which is not less than a mansion. So this house features 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 1 bar, 2 home theatres and 1 spa, and it is of 10,000 square feet of super built up area. So guys, currently I am at one of the 2 entrance points of this house, and this space specifically it can be 2 or 3 cars can be accommodated in this parking area. So guys, right now I am at one of the grand entrance point of this house. So you can see some plants over here, and here you can see a stone sculpture which is looking amazing. And this is a huge entrance glass and wood door extended to the first floor of this mansion. So I missed something guys. So this floor is of hardwood material, and just beside this floor we have some area where it can be filled with water, and there are a lot of stones here, and it can be served as a decoration area. In the evening we can put some lights over here, so the view will be incredible in the evening. So guys, continuing from the first entrance of this house, let's check out the another entrance of this house. So this floor is also of wooden material, and we have this huge glass and wood door. You can see the outward design of this villa, which is covered with hardwood material. Continuing from this second entrance of this house, let's check out another entrance of this house which leads to the cellar of this villa, which consists of a bar, home theatre and a recreation space. Now let's tour the interior of this house. So this is a huge drawing cum living space along with this dining space. Now let's begin with this section. So this section has some armchairs and a lot of varieties of other chairs with some showpieces and some art over here. And moving on to the design philosophy of this house, you can see these high walls which can also serve as open doors, and we have this wall painting with this load bearing column. So before going to the next section, let's have a look at this middle area of this living space. So it has some beautiful artifacts. It consists of one beautiful table with two chairs, which is surrounded with mirror, and it has nice sculpture, and all this structure which you can see, these are all made up of wood. Moving on to the next section, we have these straw pieces over here. And this sitting space, it has a lot of varieties of chairs, and it consists of a lot of art and sculptures. As mentioned earlier, going by the design philosophy of this house, it has this big glass walls which is surrounded by the living space, and this door is connected to the garden space, and we have some sitting space over here. So before moving on to the dining space, just look up to see this beautiful chandelier. Now moving on, there is a huge dining space, and it has this beautiful mirror as sitting space, and this night lamp, a beautiful chandelier, along with some glass cabinets. I missed one thing, guys. So there is one beautiful small powder room connected to the dining space, where you can see this beautifully designed wall mirror. Now moving on, we have staircases connected to the first floor, second floor and terrace, and here we have a private lift, and this is a way to the cellar which we will be touring later. And let's have a look at this guest quarter. So the entrance door of the guest room has digital keypad, and it has a big walk-in closet which has full-size glass mirror, and look at this beautiful glass chandelier. Then you can see this huge space, and we have an attached washroom, and this room has two big glass windows for ventilation, and this nice wall paintings as you can see, and a lot of cabinets. And this big glass window where we have some view. And these decorations. Now let's check out the washroom of this guest room. So this washroom has a big mirror with hanging lights, sink with marble countertop, walk-in shower with glass partition, and this big cabinet. Beside this guest room, we have a stairs to go to the cellar space. So this is a big cellar of this house, where we have a bar counter over here, and here is the home theater. And as you can see, this is the recreation space of this room. So connected to this cellar, we have a small powder room over here, and you can see this beautiful showpieces in this wall, and we have a small storage room here. Now let's have a look to the kitchen area of this house. So this is a big modular modern kitchen which has a lot of wooden cabinets and shelves, which you can see here. And in upstairs also we have a lot of cabinets. Then we have microwave and grill. And we have a storage space to keep all kitchen items over here. And here is our way to the wet space for this kitchen. We can keep the wet utensils and all over this space. Now let's go to the first floor of this house. So on our way we can see this beautiful sculpture of a boy reading a book, and behind it we have a flower vase. So guys, now I'm standing on the courtyard of the first floor, where we have a study room. We have 2 chairs and with a lot of shelves. And this chandelier which we have seen from the ground floor. So this is one of the bedrooms. And this is a kids' room. And we have a puja space here. So guys, look at this huge spacious bedroom where we have a king size bed, and this bed is covered by glass with 2 bedside glass tables with lot of shelves. And look at this beautiful hanging nightstands. We have a projector space here and a TV unit. Then let's check out the glass windows. So here we have big glass windows where we can enjoy the view, and it's good for ventilation also. And this huge mirror we have on this space. And guys, we have a walk-in closet for this room. For owner's privacy, we'll not be able to show you at this point of time. So moving on to this section, we have an armchair with footstool, and we have some art installation over here. And we have another big glass window for ventilation. And here also some art installation there. Now let's check out this grand washroom. So here we have this marble countertop with this big sink, with this beautiful large mirror, with a lot of wooden cabinets. And you can see this beautiful hanging chandelier with this huge space for shower with this glass partition. So before continuing our tour, let me mention you guys, so all the bedrooms of this house are of hardwood flooring, and apart from the bedrooms, the rest of the flooring are of Italian marbles. And stay tuned with me guys until the end of this video to watch the master bedroom of this house. Now let's move on to see the kids room of this floor. So this is the kids room. Here you can see this beautiful cute wall paintings. So this room has pink color theme, and here you can see a bunk bed with queen size bed on bottom and single bed on top. And here you can see a small stair structure where we have lot of drawers here. And continuing from here, you can see this huge cabinet. This is a glass cabinet where we can keep some accessories, or kids can keep their books. They can use this shelves. And here you can see this cute beautiful slate. Attached to this room we have a huge closet. So let's have a look, guys. So it's a huge, it's a really huge closet. You can see here. Isn't it amazing, guys? So you can see this space. So this space is an extension of this walk-in closet. So here also we have a lot of cabinets. And just opposite to this walk-in closet, we have attached bathroom. So you can see it has this beautiful big bathtub along with this part which is of marble countertop, a big sink with a beautiful big glass mirror, and we have a separate shower area with glass partition. Now let's check out the big balcony attached to this kids room. Before moving on, I would like to show you guys. So this is a glass wall where kids can scribble on, so they can write down their daily routine or something like that over here. Now let's check out the master bedroom of this house, which is in second floor. Before moving on to the master bedroom of the second floor, let's check out the spa room of this floor, which is overlooking the big balcony of this second floor. Beside this spa room, we have home theater. So this huge home theater has this projector space with this big screen space, and this area can be used as a sitting space. And connecting to this home theater, we have this big balcony which can be used as a party area. In the balcony itself, there is a small plunge pool. So guys, now let's check out the much awaited master bedroom of this house. So just have a look. So this huge master bedroom has this nice wall painting, and there is a bed which you can see it's bigger than a king size bed. So this bed is unique in the sense that it has brown leather cushion surrounded on all sides. Just beside this bed we have a professional drum set, which you can see it's looking very beautiful. Now let's check out the walk-in closet cum washroom of this master bedroom. And yeah, let me mention you guys, all the doors of this house have digital keypad lock, and they're made up of teak wood. So this spacious walk-in closet cum washroom has sliding doors with full-size mirror all around, and it has a chair to sit and a big sink with this hanging mirror. And here we have the walk-in shower area with glass partition. Coming out from the closet of this master bedroom, let me show you one interesting feature about this wall. So the lift of this house is hidden behind this wall. We can go to the terrace of this house using the stairs. This is a tranquil space surrounded with greenery and a lot of trees and a garden space. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching our video till the end. So I really hope that you guys liked our video. If you did, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such contents.
Hey guys, श्रीनिवास अन्ना इस घर का बढ़िया से ख्याल रख रहे हैं जो आपने भी वीडियो में देखा. सो थैंक यू अन्ना. वेलकम.